Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Have a good day, guys. Hey, what is up, my peeps? So, as you saw from the title, I asked, how can I make it big on Twitch in 2021? Now, yes, it's a little bit of a clickbait title. I'm not here to give you any tips or tricks on how to get your first 5, 10, however many viewers. Hell, I only got 2 viewers, so, I'm not the person to ask. But on YouTube, there's tons of videos of big to medium streamers telling you all these tips and tricks on how to get your first 5, 10 viewers. I've never seen a video on YouTube that asks the viewers personally, what do you guys think makes a great streamer? So I'm trying to make this video today basically to ask what you guys think makes a streamer. Is it their personality? Is it their skills at a game? Is it a specific game they're playing? Etc, etc. Obviously, all those traits you do need to make it somewhere on Twitch, YouTube, whatever media platform you're on. But, I don't know, I just really wanted to make a video just asking what you guys think. And I want your personal opinions to help me grow as a streamer, doing YouTube, whatever it may be. So I actually just watched a movie that kind of pertains to this video I'm making. It's a movie called Accepted. If you have not seen it, it has Jonah Hill in it and some other familiar actors and actresses you've probably seen. Great movie, it's funny, and the theme to the movie is the main character is a high school student that just graduated but did not get accepted into any colleges that he applied to. So what he does to make it up to his parents, because his parents were very disappointed, he actually makes up a fake college that had a website, even he rented out a building and everything for it. So what happens is all these other high school students that didn't get accepted to anywhere else, they found this website, and what they did on the website is they made it one click away to be accepted. So everyone that didn't get accepted to all these other schools, they click on this button and bang, they were accepted into this college. So the thing was, all these students show up to the school, they don't realize it's a fake school, only him, the main character, and his friends know it's fake. But they try to make it as real as possible because they really wanted this to work out. So one of the ideas that the main character has is he wants to ask every student, what do they want to learn? What would they like to be taught? So in the movie, they have a whiteboard where they have all the students write all types of classes that they would like to learn, to take. And that's kind of what I'm basically doing here. Is I want this YouTube video, the comments section, to be my own personal whiteboard with all your guys' personal opinions and just ideas, whatever it may be, on how to make a streamer great. And yeah, that's basically what this video is for, and I would love to hear your opinions. This is going to be for me and also any other small streamers that are trying to get good ideas for people to come to their stream and watch them. So yeah, I want this to be my personal whiteboard and your guys' personal whiteboard for anyone else who's trying to stream, do YouTube videos, whatever it may be. I just want to say thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. This is a nice little short video to try to just get to my point of what this video is supposed to be. I'm going to leave my Discord in the description. So if any of you guys want to join me, we can talk a little bit more, share more ideas with each other for, if you guys are small streamers, let's band together. Let's come up with cool ideas for people to watch us. And yeah, and if you guys are just viewers, I would love to talk to you too, to get more opinions from you as well. And like I said, just use the comment section as your own personal whiteboard and my own personal whiteboard. I just want to say thank you guys for watching again. I appreciate you all. Have a good day.